hell is all that? Some mad thing. That is crazy.
Oh, so it all goes down. That one just there is your ticket.
£70 ticket. Yeah. Wow, bro, you think I'm broke or something, bro?
No idea, sir.
Bro,
no idea. What I do know is you've just parked somewhere where it costs you 70 quid to park. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So maybe you can keep this on your phone and you'll be able to learn from your mistakes. Wow. It's wonderful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Remember, keep it as memento.
Bro,
You should film yourself picking the ticket up.
Yeah, whatever.
Bending over and picking up your litter. Yeah, picked up your litter.
Wow,
if
bro,
you're not bothered about it, throw it away then. Throw it away, Mr. Moneybags. 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 Throw it away, come on. You've got loads of dollar. Throw it away.
This is the behaviour of the civil
enforcement
officer.
Fuck! Shit! Oh shit, 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 shit. Nope, 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 nope. Fuck. Ah, fuck! Turn the back of the fucking... Turn the back of the van. Turn this. That's it. That's it. Steer you off. Steer you off. Fuck! Steer you off. Steer you off. Turn that way. Turn that way. Use the wheels as a fucking rudder. Shit!
Are you serious, brother? Oh my god. That's a lot of bricks.
Yeah.
Oh, in the front as well. Oh. Air ride.
Right.
Look at him. He's like ragging against this fence here. Look at him. And then I've slammed on and beeped at him. Now look at him. What the hell? He like dived on my car. Why did he do that? Look at me. He's like on my windscreen right for the cheeky get. And then look at him.
Look. Oh, good God. I'm gonna go fucking miles back. Fucking slow down. Slow down.
Stop coming so fucking close to my car.
Listen mate, right, I've just reversed back up that road 3
Yeah.
times, waited for 20
I don't care
cars.
about reversing.
Don't come in here, I'll fucking rip you out the
I
car
don't
and rip
care
your fucking head
about
off.
reversing.
I'll fucking reverse
Reverse
back.
it.
Don't
Where?
fucking come up in my face, I'll fucking kill you.
Alright mate.
What the fuck is it, that bridge, isn't it?
Mate.
Shit, the fucking
Shit.
look at the state of that. He ain't got a job to. Oh,
Hey, that's gonna
fuck.
blow up, bruv. Fucking, I ain't waiting around there.
Fucking hell!
That's getting all the diesels pulling out and all that.
I got your phone down here. Man!
इन्हीं कैब ड्राइवर और गाड़ी रुक रही है खुद से उल्टी है दूसरी गाड़ी है डायरेक्ट हेड ऑन स्मैश व्हाट द हेल मैन लुकिंग वेरी गुड it's a head on collision from opposite ends अच्छा gente tanja khaya गाड़ी दो है morra la iman nai din nai.
So I've only had the fan for 4 months, and this is when a lovely BMW driver thought, you know what, fuck it, let's open him up like a tin can. Look at that. Never trust BMW drivers, seriously.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Victim of the awful secret murder by her own husband, had a friend called Shelley who's going to tell us about her. Plus, was losing your hair the biggest hurt from your...
No. Josh was blocked in the market. Mal is that's how they're going to lift in it, and this is how they're going to tempt him to move a car. Let's see, does this work or not? Josh, that should go in further, I reckon.
Yeah.
Oh!
Come on! Come on, push!